is that?
This is something very special.
I'm sure it's not.
It's something every FPV pilot should have. Are you ready?
No.
Are you ready for it?
Are you ready for it?
Are you ready for it? So it's about to be summertime. I'm going to be flying my drone. And it's going to be hot. Global warming is here, but that's going to be okay because I have a very special device. So I can be flying my drone, and instead of getting a heat stroke, I'm going to have a refreshing breeze blowing upon my face.
How are you going to wear all that around your face? Like, you look like a retard.
What?
Do you know? You look like a retard. Like, how much does one carry around their face and their neck? Like, you want your neck to break off? That's absolutely ridiculous.
That is
That's
sick.
made for, like, fat people.
That's made for who? That's made for who?
People that sweat profusely. No,
You want one?
very much not.
I'll get one for you, baby. Don't you worry.
No. All this stupid stuff, and you know what? You're gonna use it for all of like a week, and then you're never gonna touch it again. And then it's gonna sit somewhere in my house and never be used again, like a million other things. And I'm going to throw it away.
You like fly my drone, fanning in my face. It's the greatest thing ever invented.
So dumb. What is that, personal fanning device?
You know what? It's beautiful. Go into my profile links. You'll find the Amazon links. And under FPV, you'll find these.
Don't buy them.
Yeah, not only will it keep you fresh and cool throughout the summer and not look dumb like those other ones do, but this is like
Oh,
serious.
it's just big and obnoxious.
It's beautiful. And then you can even power, you can charge your you can charge your radio at the same time as you fan yourself. Go fan yourself. Oh my goodness.
Matthew,
Say no more.
try your
It
shorts
has
on.
USB-C charging.
I'm gonna eat your
Gone.
croissant.
No, gone.
If
are the
you don't
day-
try
I'll
that
try it
on,
I'll try
I'm
it
gonna
on.
eat your croissant.
No, I'll try it on.
Right
I'll
now.
Try it on. I'm gonna try it on right
Now.
now. Look, it has a light. Ariel, no.
I will eat your croissant.
No.
So try your shorts on.
My croissant.
No, it's
I'm
not.
gonna eat my croissant first. Okay, never mind. Yeah, you know what to do. Go fan yourself.